Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope everybody's having a great week. We're, I guess, a little bit late this week on the blog entry and video. First, most important thing, go Michigan tonight, go blue, make it to the Final Four. Let's hope they come through. Now, back to the some exciting stuff. We're talking a little bit about this week about property taxes, and we're getting close to property tax season. I know that gets everybody very excited, so woohoo, property taxes here. We should be getting our appraisals any day now. And when you get them, this year could be rough. It could be pretty high, especially in places like Travis County where the TCAD did not reappraise properties last year. So in the next few days or the next few weeks, you could be getting some bad news, but there is a potential light at the end of the tunnel. The governor, shortly after the winter storm that we had in mid-February, the governor declared that a disaster area, and as a result, under Texas law, provided a outlet for possible exemption, temporary property tax exemption for property owners whose properties have been damaged. So that's what we're talking about in this entry this week. Basically what happens is when the governor declares you have to be a qualified property, and a qualified property is a property that is in a disaster area declared by the governor that has damage of at least 15% to a property. And if you have that at your property and you fill out a request for an exemption, which you file with your appraisal district, then your chief appraiser in your county will assign you a level 1 through 4 depending on the amount of damage done to your property. Now, this is important. You don't have to just accept their proclamation. So make sure we provide evidence of what all the damage is and why it's so damaged, because the higher the level, the better for you for your property tax exemption. So once he assigns that level, you are then eligible for an exemption, temporary exemption on your property taxes equal to the amount of the assessed property times 15% if you're level 1, 30% if you're level 2, 60% if you're level 3, and 100% if you're level 4. I know it's complicated, it's kind of hard to hear in this, but we have the blog entry up that you can read about it, and certainly you can call us, we can talk about it. Here's a really important thing. The exemption, the application, the request for the application for the exemption has to be filed by May 28th this year. So don't delay on this. Get your application in. If you have any questions on it, we're here to help. Bukowski Law Firm. Give us a call. But otherwise, let's get those applications in, and maybe we can at least get a temporary property tax reduction as a result of the damage. Bukowski Law Firm, 512-614-0335. Go Blue.